Hello everybody, today I want to show you how I'm going to make a body butter. I'm going to use cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, and I will use a macadamia nut oil right here. I will use 2 spoons of this. What I'm gonna do, I'll put this on the side because I'm not gonna use it right now. It's gonna stay here. I will need to mix all these butters and oils in one container. For example, here, I'll put everything there. There, the last one. Okay, everything's in it. And now I will melt this down on a double boiler. So I have melted the oils down. This is how it looks like. I'll made it melted and hot. Let's stir a little bit. And now I'm gonna add macadamia nut oil. Now I'm gonna wait when this will cool down to room temperature, and then I will put this in the freezer. So the butter is already frozen. They need to be hard. Something like this. I already worked it with a spatula, and now I'll try to blend them. When the butters and oils are fully blended, I'm gonna put them in this bag, and then I'll put them in the containers. So the body butter is done, packed. I just need to put stickers on them, but right now I don't have stickers because I ordered them online and I'm waiting when they're gonna come. So right now they're going to be without stickers. I have an example. So they're gonna look something like this. You'll have ingredients over here, what it was made of, body butter, like the measurements, like how many ounces gonna be. Those ones were made for bigger containers, like 4 ounces, and those are just 1 ounce. Actually, it's without, I forgot to mention, it's without scent. I haven't added any colorants or scents, just because of the cocoa butter. It smells like chocolate, really. It's so delicious, so you don't need to add any other scents. I prefer to leave it simple, just pure oils and butters, and that's it, nothing else. So basically you saw what I add, how I made it, and yeah, I think that's it. If you'd like to see more things that I'm making, or like, you can check my Etsy shop and see what you want me to make, like soap, or I don't know, body oil. I also have, like I did already, candles. I'm also doing lip balms, just regular. So if you want to see how I'm doing something else, just leave a comment below and I'll see if I could make such video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye 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 bye. We're going somewhere in a box, in a gift box.